The forest. The forest covers 30% of our planet. More than 7 billion people call Earth home, and they all use paper. It takes around 26 trees to make 1 ton of paper, and Indonesia produces more than 9 million tons of paper per year. But the number of destroyed trees is much higher, ranking it third in the world. With 10% of the remaining tropical forest today, the Indonesian forest is home to many endangered animal and plant species. With 2% of the Indonesian forest destroyed a year, Indonesia has the highest rate of deforestation. In the last 100 years, Indonesia has lost more than half of its forest and could be completely gone by 2022.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Poonam Singhvi, founder president of Haryali. Basically a practicing chartered accountant, but I took absolute retirement from all my commercial activities at the age of 55 and am now devoting to the cause of Haryali, that is environmental protection and upgradation of environmental conditions around us. When it comes to environmental protection, our emphasis is basically on 3 things: afforestation on large scale, water conservation and rainwater harvesting, and generating and spreading environmental awareness. All these things are being done through the participation and involvement and of course Ramadan of all sections of the society. We do not do any of these activities with the help of governmental subsidies, assistance or any funding agencies, etc., but all through the participation of people from cross sections of the society, which include students to senior citizens, right from the age group of 5 to 80.
Changing face of Bhavale. Bhavale, a place 25 kilometers away from Thane city in Bhiwandi, was just a barren piece of land in 2008. A vision to develop this 10 hectares of land was taken by Haryali back in 2008. Apart from the plantation of trees, this project also included rainwater harvesting and water conservation activity. The work began when thousands of volunteers across the society showed their will to work for free, that is, Shramdan. In the year 2008, more than 16,000 trees were planted during monsoon, but a huge fire took place later and the site gave a look of charred mass. The problems like cattle grazing, firewood collection, and man-made jungle fires were always a certain possibility that would occur after cultivation of land, but overcoming this was the major issue. Different innovative methods were used. One of them was tying filled water bottles to sapling. People donated bottles. They were filled with water and tied to each of the saplings with a needle-thin prick at the lower end. This enabled the water to come out of the bottle drip by drip and reach directly to the roots of the plant. This assured tree survival. The positive results were also seen soon. Check dams and storage dams when needed at the site. Check dams serve the purpose of obstructing the flow and speed of the rainwater and for conservation of soil. On the other hand, storage dams serve the purpose of storing and retaining the water for a substantial period even after the closure of monsoon. The entire exercise also results in increasing the groundwater level and spreading vegetation and restoring the ecology of the entire region. Villagers also gave the feedback of rise in groundwater and are also showing their support now through their participation. Numbers and species of wildlife like birds, wild boars, mongoose, reptiles, porcupines, etc. have increased. Trees have grown up to a height where one can seek shelter during noon hours. Many organizations, schools are visiting the site. Presently, there are plantation of about 25,000 trees of assorted species. The development of 4 water bodies, 20 check dams and 400 parallel trenches. It has been a long journey with its own ups and downs and still goes on with people's participation.